Hello my dear friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very delicious English dessert called as Banoffee pie. This dessert is super tasty, very easy to make with very few ingredients. You can make this ahead of time before any party begins. Let's start with immersing a can of condensed milk in boiling water, and you have to boil this for around 2 to 3 hours. In the meantime, take some digestive biscuits, add them into a blender and make powder. Now add some melted butter and blend it again. Now you got a crumble texture like this. Here I am using a removable bottom tart pan. Now grease it. Add the biscuit mixture. Now press it down firmly with your hands. Once it is done, keep this in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours until it is really firm. Now let's take our condensed milk, which was boiling in water, and when you open it you can see the condensed milk has turned into beautiful caramel. This is also called as Dulce de leche. Now transfer this into a bowl. Before you open the can, make sure it is completely cools down or you may gonna burn your fingers. Here I've added 2-3 drops of milk just to loosen it up and mix it properly. Now our caramel is also ready. Now take some freshly squeezed orange juice, take a banana and slice it up. Now add the sliced bananas into the orange juice. You can also use lime juice instead of orange juice. We are doing this to avoid the discoloration of banana. Now take the biscuit base and slowly remove it from the tart shell pan. Now our biscuit base is really firm. So very carefully now pour in the dulce de leche, the caramel which we made from the condensed milk. Now put in each and every drop of it because you don't want to waste any single drop of this delicious toffee caramel. Now spread this really well onto the biscuit base. Now take the bananas which was immersed in orange juice. Place a layer of bananas on top of this caramel. Now place this in the refrigerator for 1 hour until the caramel is slightly set. Now you can top it up with some whipping cream. Here I am using chocolate coffee whipping cream, where I've blended some instant coffee powder and cocoa powder into the whipping cream. Here I'm making small rosettes, but you can make any designs of your choice. I'm also adding some dark chocolate curls in the middle. You can also use fresh fruits. or homemade honeycomb goes really well with this dessert. If you want the recipe for the homemade honeycomb, check the description or click the I button above. Voila! Here it is, our delicious Banoffee pie is ready. Banoffee pie is an English dessert pie made with bananas, cream, toffee with a biscuit base, or sometimes with a pastry base. And the name Banoffee came from the combination of banana and toffee. The ingredients in this dessert like banana, caramel, biscuit base and the whipping cream, altogether it has a really good blend. This delicious dessert is definitely gonna be a treat for your taste buds. So definitely try this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Greypot. Do check it out. Thank you.